Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. So this is like a quick video. I just wanted to show you guys how I transform this hair into this over here. So guys, do want to like my video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video, and I will see you in my next one. So guys, I've done something like this on my channel. I'll link the video up here. So guys, I'll still be using what I used in the previous video. I'll be using this big bits. I'll be using a pair of scissors for this tutorial, a candle, and a mattress. So guys, watch me transform this hair. I'm quite excited. So the first thing that we're going to do is going to still be a repetitive process. So I will not want this video to be so long. So I'll just do 1 or 2 or 3 and show you guys the next process. So I'm looking for something short, so I would be stopping it around here. I wanted it short, so I would end it here. Then I'll make a knot. So guys, that's what I will be doing for the whole extension. So I'll show you guys again the process. Then I would show you guys what the next process would look like. So you insert the hair extension into the bits like so. You drag it. You use this one as, let me just say, the way I want it to be here, and you tie it. You tie a knot, and it's secured. So guys, this is how far I've gone. So this to the side. Just give it full extension and put it into this. So push it in. So guys, I'm done with the bits, and the next step is to cut the XX extension out. So that's what I'll be doing. So I'm done cutting, and we're going to be burning the tips. So you will have a bowl of water so that you not get your hands burned. So let's get started with this process. So please be careful. If you can't do this, ask somebody to help you to do it. So you wet your hand with the water, and you pick one like this. You burn it, and you sweeten it out with your damp hand. So that's what I'll be doing for everything. You wet your hands, you pick one, you burn it, and you sweeten it out with your damp hands. So that's what I'll be doing for everything. So guys, be careful while using this, so you don't burn yourself. Wet your hands and use your damp hands to sweeten everything out. So guys, that's what I'll be doing for everything, and I'll show you guys the final look. So guys, after burning the hair, this is how it looks like. I'm quite happy how everything turned out. So guys, you can actually do this by yourself or go to the salon to have it done. So guys, thanks guys for watching my video.